Ever encounter a power outage and then try fumbling around for your flashlight? Do this instead. In the event of a power outage, you can try to locate that flashlight. It has all the fresh batteries in it. Kids are screaming and you just need to get some light going quickly. Do this. Strategically place chem lights or light sticks throughout. This way you can grab them quickly. You can break them open, start tossing them around the corners of your house. Instant light. And the kids will love it because they think it's like a game instead of just flashlights flashing around with all the scary shadows. So I'm going to show you different areas that I strategically place these. They're very inexpensive. You can get these on Amazon. I mean, for under $20, you can get a huge bag of these. And most of them come with 8 or 12 hour illumination. So you crack these open, drop them around your house. All through the night, you're going to have some type of ambient light, or at least light that you can see to maneuver through your house. Then you can get that big, scary flashlight. Now, I keep some in this drawer here, one of my top dresser drawers. This way I don't have to reach down and grab it. This is kind of my utility drawer. Got my ear protection here, and then I just keep a couple of these in here, red and green. This way I know if I'm feeling around, I can go ahead and grab those. Now I also keep one right under the bed there, next to my side where I sleep. So if I'm sleeping at night and I just notice all the lights go off, power's out, or I can just be up in the room here and then the family's screaming because the whole power went out at 8 at night, I can just reach over, pop out of bed, and I can grab that. And that's a stark contrast to what I used to keep under my mattress when I was a teenager. I keep one in my desk drawer. There you go. Then in our common areas here, I keep some right on the left here. So easy for the family to grab these. I also keep them in my daughter's rooms. So the point being, you want to place these throughout the house in different locations because wherever you are closest to when your power goes out, you'll have one nearby. So you don't want to just keep them in the upstairs drawer or under your mattress. You want to keep these downstairs as well, in your junk drawer, maybe under the cushion of the couch, coffee table. Strategically place these throughout. And whenever you have a power outage, all you're going to have to do is crack them, shake them, and illuminate them. Check it out. Okay, we're going to open these up. Let's do the green one. All you do is grab this, peel it down. These have a lanyard, but I don't do much on the lanyard. You can rip that off, or all you're going to do is crack those. I'm going to do the red one as well. It's kind of hard to pull there, so you want to get the little lip here. Or what you can do is actually cut these, get them prepared for when you need to use them. So maybe piece of tape here that could be dog-eared. You can just flip open and it's already open. I don't know. Here it's just as easy to do that. All right, no big deal. Green and red. Let's crack these and let me show you what it looks like in a dark room. Okay, pretty dark, right? Here, I'm gonna crack it. So I just took my thumbs and cracked it in half. Shake. There you go, a little bit of illumination. And here's the green one. Crack it open. The green ones are actually much brighter. Shake it up. There you go. Even if it goes under little ledges or a chair, you still get some ambient light when you first walk out. Now you have more light, right? And just keep those on the ground. I usually take these and I'll toss them down by the stairs. Put them in the corner. Now I have lights on the stairs that'll last 12 hours and I don't have to worry about batteries going out during that time. Here's another angle that you can see at least the shadows of the stairs here. So when you're walking, you know where to place your feet. All right, there you have it. Quick problem-solving video when you have a power outage and what I think is a better way to at least illuminate your house in an emergency fashion, instantaneously, quickly, in a rapid fashion. Crack some chem lights or light sticks, toss them around the floors, then you can get your flashlight. So, Scott from Scott's Top Tips, solving your everyday problems with some of the experience that I have obtained over my 30 years. Like, subscribe, tell me what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching all the way through, and we will see you on the next cool video.